2019 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, fog lamps, passenger airbag, MP3 player. Come take a test drive today.